In less than a week, the world will witness the biggest religious gathering on earth, the Mahakumbh Mela. A sacred confluence of spirituality and tradition draws millions of devotees from across the globe. But it's the grand procession that truly captures the essence of this mega gathering. Let's take a look at some of the traditional processions.
As the sacred city of Prayagraj pulses with the lively spirit of the Mahakumbh Mela, the streets, ghats and camps are filled with a colorful array of spiritual traditions. One of the most striking features of this grand celebration is the procession of the akharas, ancient orders of seers, each with distinct customs and practices. Anand Akhara has made its grand entry into the Kumbh Mela. The Akhara is also well known for educational institutions that teach Hindu scriptures, yoga, meditation and martial arts. They arrived with great pomp and grandeur. Niranjani Akhara entered the Mahakumbh a few days ago. With a history stretching back to 904 AD, Niranjani Akhara is one of India's oldest and most respected akharas. Established by Shankaracharya to propagate the teachings of Advaita Vedanta, the philosophy of non-duality. This akhara has played an essential role in spreading the profound teachings of oneness and the worship of Lord Shiva. In a historic move, the Kinnar Akhara was established in 2015 by Lakshmi Narayan Tripathi, a leading transgender rights activist. It made waves by being the first akhara to welcome the transgender community into the heart of Hindu religious practices, recognizing their spiritual rights and providing them with a sacred space to worship and practice their beliefs. Kinnar Akhara's entry into the Kumbh Mela has been groundbreaking, bringing transgender individuals into the fold of the spiritual community. They have now been given a platform for recognition for their identity, devotion and spiritual strength.
दुनिया का सबसे बड़ा पिलग्रिमेज जिसे कहा जाता है वो है कुंभ मेला। सबसे बड़ा पूरी दुनिया में अंतरिक्ष दिखाई देता है कुंभ। तो उस कुंभ का आप भाग बने, आप आएं, आशीष लें, स्नान करें और यज्ञ अन्य और कामों में आप कुंभ में आके अपने जीवन को साकार करें।
The Juna Akhara's processions during the Kumbh Mela are magnificent, showcasing numerous sadhus and musical ensembles. They are traditionally among the first to participate in the Shahi Snan, marking the sacred beginning of the festival. Juna Akhara is one of the largest and most influential spiritual groups, whose origins trace back to the 4th century.